接下来我们让大家来看看现场如果没有吸尘器的效果会有多脏。
All right. You want to show that? Let's do it.
Good luck.
Good luck.
他已经做2次了。对。
And if you want to film closer, you can put your camera here, or you can try to put it in the sky as well. But careful because there will be a lot of dust.
如果想要更好的拍摄效果，可以像他一样把那个摄影机放在边边。
你要小心你的，
对，小心你们的设备。
那个灰尘来了。
我看是低转速。
那个不然打干切对，你就差不多是这样哦。
我们已经看到秀场了，有点要进去了。
But you can see, after production, you can see the tree, and certainly you wouldn't have any PPE. Absolutely not safe as well.
正如现场看到了，如果今天我们在暗场工作，而我们没有带着背包里面所准备好的这些防尘跟安全设备的话，其实这样的安场对我们身体来说是伤害非常大的。
Good. So now Shota will clean the room separately, and let's focus on our other demonstration here with the VC4X22 implement. And here, we will not need to close the curtain doors as well, so please feel free to come closer to Shota, go ahead. So, as you can see, with the VC4X22 implemented together with the diamond grinder, there's virtually zero dust in the air.
正如我们现场演示的，